All right, in the previous video, I found values for this piecewise function. I found the 4 values that they gave me. And then for this video, I'm going to graph the piecewise function. So 2 of the points were in the green section up there. And let me write down which ones they were. When x is less than 0, that is when x is -3 or -6. I found 2 points, so -3, 4, that is 1 point, and -6, 3, that is another point. And then for when the graph is the pink part, I found, let's see, my x was 2, and my y is 5, and then my x is 0, and my y is 7. Okay, so these are both linear. The first part of that's linear, would make a line by itself, but I'm going to use the green line when x is less than 0, and I'm going to use the pink line when x is greater than or equal to 0. Okay, I'm going to first draw it by color, but they really should be just all the same color. So let's find -3, 4. So to the left 3 and up 4. -6, 3, -6, 3. All right, so that is a slope of rise 1, run 3, so that's 1/3, that's good. All right, and then I would draw a line to connect those 2 points. Now this line only goes for when x is less than 0. So it will go to the left forever and ever and ever, but it will stop when x is 0, right there. Okay, and it's not going to touch 0, so this is the most important part of this. It goes all the way up until it hits here, but then it doesn't touch 0, so I need an open circle. Okay, and I'm even going to write it here, open, because that is very important. At 0, it's not on the green. All right, now let's do the pink. I know, of course, I want to put my little arrowhead showing that I'm going to the left forever. When I do the pink points, I have 2, 5, and 0, 7. 2, 5, 0, 7. Now this actually does hit here at 7, because the pink line is when x is greater than or equal to 0. And now I'm going to draw this line. And of course, you could pick some more points if you want to help you make a better line, but this is going to do this, and then I'm going to draw my little arrowhead right here. And this is my piecewise function. Okay, now when you put this together and you're going to give your work, of course it should all be the same color. All right, and it is still a function. It will pass the vertical line test. If I draw a vertical line anywhere, including at 0, it would never hit more than once. All right, that's it.